Hello everyone, welcome to digital learning classes. In this class, I am going to explain compound interest. Look here, compound interest. Compound interest, when we calculate compound interest, then we need to follow this main two formula. Amount is equal to principal P inside of first bracket 1 plus R by 100 into N. P for principal, R for rate of interest, N for time. Compound interest CI means compound interest. Compound interest is equal to A minus P, amount minus principal. What do you mean by amount? Amount is equal to principal plus total interest. When we add amount of principal plus total interest, then we get A, value of A, amount. For calculation of compound interest, for annually we need flow first formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into N. For calculation half yearly, we need to follow second number formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 into 2N. For calculation of compound interest quarterly, we need to apply third number formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4 divided by 100 into 4N. When rate of interest different for different year, say R1 percentage, R2 percentage, R3% for first year, second year and third year, then we need to apply this 4 number formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Looks, it is explained with the help of example. Looks, example 1. If principal is equal to 5,000, rate of interest 6% per annum, and time is equal to 3 years, then amount is equal to, according to first formula, principal 1 plus R by 100 into N. Here principal 5,000, 1 plus R is 6 by 100, N is 3 years. N means time. 5,000, 1 plus 6 by 100 into 3. Now 5,000, 106 by 100 into 3. 5,000 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. When we multiply this amount, we get 5,955. 5,955.08. It is amount. Therefore, compound interest CI, compound interest is equal to A minus P. Amount of A is 5,955.08 minus amount of principal is given 5,000. Here compound interest is equal to 955.08. When we calculate compound interest annually, we need to apply this formula and this one. Now we are going to calculation for half yearly. How we calculate compound interest when rate given half yearly? Looks, for half yearly calculation, if principal given 10,000, suppose principal given 10,000, rate of interest given 4% per annum and time 2 years. Rate of interest given 4% per annum, time given 2 years. We need to calculate compound interest half yearly. Then how we calculate half yearly? When we calculate compound interest half yearly, we need to apply this second number formula. For calculation of amount, we need to apply this one. Principal plus 1 plus R by 2 divided by 100 into 2N. Here P plus 1 plus R by 2 divide 100 divide 2n. Looks, when we calculate compound interest half yearly, then we need to follow this formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 divided by 100 into 2n. Here P 10,000, 1 plus R given 4% per annum divided by 200 into 2 into n given 2 years, 2 into 2. Then 10,000, 1 plus 4 by 2000 into 4. Now 10,000 into 104 by 200 into 4. Now 10,000 into 104 by 200 into 104 by 200 into 104 by 200 into 104 by 200. When we calculate this amount, we get 10,824.32. Look, when we calculate compound interest half yearly, we need to follow this formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 into 2n. Here value of principal 10,000, rate of interest 4% per annum time 2 years. Now we need to put this value in this formula. 10,000 plus 4 by 2 by 100 into 2 into 2. Because n value of n is time is 2 years. Now 10,000 into 1 plus 4 by 200 to the power 4. Now 10,000 into 200 into 1 plus 4 is 104 by 200 to the power 4. Now 10,000 into 104 by 200 into 104 by 200 into 104 by 200 into 104 by 200, we get, when we calculate, we get this value. Now compound interest is equal to A minus P. Here A is equal to 10,000, 10,824, 10,824 minus 32 minus amount of principal is 10,000. When we subtract, we get 824.32. It is the amount of compound interest. Now we are going to explain how we calculate compound interest quarterly. How we calculate compound interest quarterly. For calculation quarterly, compound interest in quarterly, we apply this formula, third number formula. Amount is equal to, in this formula, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4 divided by 100 power 4n. It is explained with the help of example 3. Example 3. With the help of example 3. If principal given 5,000, principal given 5,000, rate of interest given 8% per annum and time given 1 into 1 by 2 years. If principal given 4,000, rate of interest given 8% per annum, rate of interest given 8% per annum and time given 1.5 years. 1.5 years. How we calculate compound interest quarterly? It is explained with the help of this formula. Looks, if principal 5,000, rate of interest 8% per annum, time 1.5 years, then amount in this formula given P into 1 plus R by 4 divided by 100 into 4 into n. 4 into n. Here value of P given 5,000, 1 plus value of r given, rate of interest given 8 divided by 4 divided by 100 into to the power 4 into this one 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now 5000 into 1 plus 4 divided by 8 divided by 4 is 2 by 100. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. This one 6. Now 5000 1 plus 2 by 1000 100 into 6. Now 5000 102 by 100 into 6. Now 5000 into 102 by 100 into 102 by 100 into 102 by 100 into 102 by 100 6 times 102 by 100 1 2 3 4 5 102 by 100. When we calculate this one, we get 5630.81. 5630.81. It is the amount. Now compound interest is equal to A minus P, amount minus principal. Amount here 5630.81. Principal is 5000. When we subtract 5000 from amount, we get 6030.81. It is the amount of compound interest. Okay, already we have learned about how we calculate compound interest annually, half yearly and quarterly. If rate of interest different for different year, like rate of interest R1, R2, R3 for first year, second year and third year, then how we calculate compound interest? It is explained with the help of 4 number example. Looks this one 4 number example. Example number 4, if P given, example number 4, if P given, amount of P principal given 5000, rate of interest 400. If principal 5000, rate of interest for first year R1 4%, for second year R2 6%, for third year R3 8%, and time if given 3 years. Here already 3 years, time is 3 years, first year, second year, third year. How we calculate compound interest? We need to plot this formula first. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Okay, now look, principal, amount of principal is 5000, 1 plus R1 4% by 100, 1 plus R2 is 6 by 100, and 1 plus R3 is 8% by 100. Now $5,000 into 104 by 100 into 106 by 100 into 108 by 100. When we multiply this one, we get 5952.96. 5952.96. 52.96. When we multiply 5000 with 104 by 100 into 106 by 100 into 108 by 100, we get 5952.96. Now compound interest A minus P, amount minus P. Here amount 5952.96 Principal 5,000. Therefore, compound interest is equal to 952.96. It is the amount of compound interest.